Andy Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, leading meteorologist, doing a tutorial here for people new to the site who want to learn about weather. We're going to do a little tutorial on how hail form. We've been getting a lot of hail reports as of late in the Midwest. They've been large. They've been close to record large. What's going on in the Midwest? Well, we want to know sometimes how hail forms. So here's a little bit of how hail forms. First, you get the thunderstorm cloud. It goes thousands of feet into the atmosphere. The top is frozen. In the frozen section of the atmosphere. Eventually what happens is you get these rain-cooled air gets pulled up into the updraft, and as it gets pulled up into the updraft, they freeze. And they freeze and they start dropping back down into the through the cloud. And if it's a good thunderstorm, it'll continue to pull up back into the atmosphere. Well, what happens is every time that this pulls up through the updraft, the hailstone gets bigger, falls back down. And if it's a mature thunderstorm that keeps, or a supercell, it'll continuously pull up into the updraft and consider to throw down another hailstone. And as it goes down, it goes back up. It goes down and goes back up. So it goes through these cycles, up and down, up and down. Eventually it gets too heavy. The storm starts weakening, or the cloud just cannot hold the hailstone anymore. And when that happens, it drops straight to the ground with a downdraft. And that's where you get your hailstone from. The more cycles, the bigger the hailstone. And obviously, to get that bigger hailstone, you're going to have a strong updraft, which is very much conducive to severe weather. And that's why when you have severe thunderstorms, you get hail. And you don't usually get very many severe thunderstorms without hail. But you also get severe thunderstorms. Get severe thunderstorms without hail, but you don't get thunderstorms with small hail unless they're starting to try to get to this development stage to be a severe thunderstorm. A lot of times you get a lot of dime-sized hail, a lot of small hail, and what happens is some weather service offices would like you to tell them that so they can monitor that storm for more development if it gets more severe, how big the hail may be. And the Weather Service just changed the thing from to inch 1.5 1.5 inches in diameter, which is a quarter. So if you get quarter size hail or bigger, that is the severe thunderstorms criteria for hail now. So that's just a little input on how hail forms here, and if we're going to be doing some more tutorials here on liveweatherblogs.com, I just want to bring into why hail forms. And you can also get hail if thunderstorm is high collapse at once, and you may get some small hail or medium hail or marginal severe hail in a pop-up pulse type thunderstorm based on its collapse, which is your downdraft. You may actually get some. So there's many ways you can get hail. The larger the hail, the bigger the updraft, which means the more potent the thunderstorm is, and these real big thunderstorms, usually are supercells that have this huge hail in it, which also could lead to tornadoes. Andy Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Thank you.